part 3. My alarm went off, so I had to cut it. But I'm back. Charged a little bit. Is Bobby still here? You know what to do if you're here. Awesome. So prior to ending, it said very much. Like when I asked, is he at peace? And it said very much. But unfortunately, I cut the video because I had to leave. But I'm back. So to clarify, you were saying you were very much at peace. All right, see, that's a stronger thing. All right, let's see. We're starting all over again. And we have a kitty cat. Do you like kitty cats? Bobby, were you a fan of cats? I'm pretty sure they had barn cats. Unless you're trying to activate a cat ball again. Okay, so part 3. Let's see what we can talk about.
It's outside.
It's outside. What's outside? The cat? Your friend? Your cat friend that was at the barn is outside? Wait, did he reincarnate to be with my mom? Is it the gray cat? The gray tabby? That's just cat, or that's my Fiona fur that just floated down. Or is it the tuxedo or the tortie kitty? The tortie kitty? Missy? Miss? Missy was a barn cat once upon? Oh wow. You guys seeing this? Bobby's clarifying that the cat, which is a tortoiseshell, fluffy, that looks just like Itty Bitty, is one of the barn cats from his time. Keeping an eye on us, huh? Cool. Nice, thank you. I always wondered how that works. Like, if anything had any slight connection to somebody, when they did get reincarnated, blah, 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 how does that work? Like, do they come back to somebody that's connected to them generations later?
Shop.
Shop? I don't know about that one. A shop cat? So there's another one that's a shop cat somewhere? Or is there a cat that turned into a shopkeeper?
How many are there?
Well, I don't know how many are there. I'm assuming if you mean...
Are you okay?
See, now it's going fast. Yes. Yes, I'm fine. But how many are there? Well, there's 3 stray cats that I know of. And there's a few more that come around, but the ones that come is a gray tabby, and a tortie. Wee Wee, Zip Zip, Missy. So you're saying Missy, the tortie, is the one that was once upon a time in your time at the barn, reincarnated to come back here to be with us. Is that so? Can you activate the EMF meter one more time? Well, not one more time, but to justify that. Okay. Cool. How are you enjoying the carrots, by the way? Are you enjoying your carrots up there? Your offerings? And the apple? Do you remember me writing you when I was a child? I will find photos and post them if I can on the lovely channel's posts for the community post. I can find them and I'll post some more photos. Would that be cool? Anything that has you in it, I can find. And then we do a little collage. All right. So I know that my sister rode you for sure. My older sister.
Very much.
You want that very much. Okay. I will do that. Not sure when I'll be able to do that today, but I will do that. To be honest, I felt like I saw it recently. I don't know why. But my sister, the older sister, she rode you. Do you remember bucking her off or hitting a tree branch and having her fall off? I think that's a yes. Do you feel bad? Do you feel bad for having to be riding with her and then hitting, or her hitting the tree branch or falling off? Do you feel bad for her? So yeah, I think I was on you and I made
What year is it?
Oh, what year is it? It is 2025. What year do you remember? Do you remember 1990s? You can use the EMF meter for yes if you're getting close to the time frame that you remember. (1990s), 1995, and it can be a round, like estimate. Okay, 1995, 1996, 97, 98, maybe 98, 99, so around there. What about 2000s? Do you remember it? Oh wow, holy crap, 2000s. You guys seeing this? It's going bonkers when I say 2000s. You passed away 2000s? Like early 2000? So
Not exactly.
Okay, well you were going bonkers on the EMF meter. Okay, well I'll like to say I'll call my mom, I'll write some notes or questions and get those answers. What year you passed? What was the lady that you were involved with? What color she was or breed? As well as the name of the ranch and the name of the ranch owner. And obviously if you won this beautiful trophy, which I'm sure you did. Because I don't think she had any other horses.
Judge.
Judges again. That's a repetitive word. I'm not trying to judge you, if that's what you're referring to.
Listen.
Okay, well I just heard a car door close. Are you gonna
I see you.
Oh, you do? It said listen and I see you. Hi Bobby, wherever you are. Trying to picture a horse spirit in my small room. Hi. Did you wave at me?
You shouldn't be here.
Why shouldn't I be here? See, this is where it gets a little strange. Well, technically I should be eventually heading somewhere else. But not yet. I still have 2 hours. Unless you're talking about somebody else being here. Is there somebody else? Is there another spirit that shouldn't be here? Who shouldn't be here?
I'm listening.
Well, I was listening too. Is there a judge spirit that you don't want to be here? It's the only thing I can do with the connection of that thing. Or is there somebody like a demonic spirit? Okay, that's good to know. I don't want demonic spirits in my house. Ooh. So, I'm not sure how we activated that capel, Bobby, but that was awesome. Is there any chance you can do it again for us, for me and my mom? And the viewers? Because, again, they would love to know that the spirits of their beloved horses can come through. Not just, humans and animals of like cats and dogs. Horses too. Probably even elephants. Again, trying to picture an elephant in the room. Whew. My room's not even big enough for the elephant. I think I can fit 1, 2, 3, 4 horses in here. Could you picture 4 horses in my room? Unless you're trying to activate the capel, I'll give you time. And I'll just chit chat for a bit. By the way, I do love horses. I try to draw them. I remember trying to draw them with the reins, saddles. I did pretty well for the most part. But my mom actually has a how to draw a horse book. What, do you want to see it? Did the spirit of the horse...
We're here.
Okay, I was just going to say, so if you're really here, can you justify that? He's saying justify. Could you clarify that through the EMF? Okay, I'm going to go get the booklet. It's literally right over here. Hold on. Pardon me, people. I get to look at my kitty litter box. I'll find the book. It's in here somewhere. Aha! Found it.
What is that?
What? What's that? The booklet. How to draw horses and ponies. Ta-da!
Why is he here?
There's nobody, there's no he, unless you're talking about the spirit that is here. Who is he? See, that's kind of cool. Mm-hmm. Do you like this book? Shall I draw again? Oh, wait. Here. In case people want to know. There, I drew a horse. What do you think of that? Do you like that one? Bobby? Do you like this colorful pinto horse, I'm assuming? Sorry, you were going crazy. You were at orange. I missed it. Can you go back to orange? Did you like it? I tried my best. It took a while, but I did it. I even colored it in. That's how much I wanted to spruce up the drawing. And no, this is not from the book. This is actually from just using, something from the web I saw that I liked. I'm going to put it up here. So should I try to draw again? Do you think I have some talent in the drawing field? Really, Fiona? You're already snoring? Hold on. Is there anything you want to say, Bobby? This is your chance to say things. Or you can go bonkers on the EMF meter or, the cat ball. You can do like, kind of like Morse code on the EMF meter. I mean, like, you can say, I love you. I miss you. Or I'm watching over you. Stuff like that. Do you miss my mom? Or by chance, are you with her right now? She's in a different location than here right now. Are you with her right now? Like, could your spirit go all the way over there to that location and be like, nay? I have no clue what you really sound like, but nay? Viewers, out of the 3-parters, or is this 4 parts? I forgot. What do you think? Who do you think activated that cat ball? Because I did a bunch of jumping, I moved my bed, stomped my feet, and nothing happened. It was not me. And my cat, I put temporary in the bathroom so she wouldn't get, on the cat tree and stuff. So to me, it's either Bobby or Bebe.
Unquestionably.
Unquestionably again. So it was for sure, undoubtedly, you, Bobby, activating that one cat ball, which was this one right here. I'm going to move the pony book.
Sin.
That might be related to that one thing. It's going. It's activating a little bit more. Do you have any sins? I don't know why you would have a sin. You didn't do anything bad. Or is this another spirit coming through? Is this the he that he mentioned? Are you another spirit? If so, can you go to red? Wait, hold on. I remember having connection to a Farmer Joe, or sorry, Farmer John. Did anybody named Farmer John have any connection to the farm? Or in this case, the ranch?
Possessed.
See, now it's just going bonkers. Now I just think that it's just being and acting weird. Yeah, I think it's just acting weird. Let's switch it over here because it keeps getting my reflection. I don't like that. Okay. So again, it was random, but it felt like I was speaking a couple days ago to a farmer named John or Jonathan. Did he have any connection to you or the ranch? Do you know his daughter Ellie? Ella Elizabeth? His little girl? Do you remember that too? Or is Ellie, aka Elizabeth, not his daughter? He just said that just because. Or this is just likes to go to yellow. Anyways, I just thought it was interesting when I mentioned the farmer, Jonathan.
Cheryl.
Cheryl. I do know a Cheryl. Are you trying to tell me that the daughter of the farmer John or Jonathan is Cheryl? Or is that the wife of the person that owned the ranch? Might be the wife. Okay, again, I have so many questions I gotta ask my mom and hope she can answer some of them. So I'll get a piece of pad of paper, pen,
Brother.
Brother. I don't have a brother. And I don't know if it's spewing out stuff. Oh wait, are you trying to tell me
I
that...
can't speak.
No, you can't speak? Well, you are a horse, so you can't physically speak, but you're speaking through this if that's you. And you can activate the cat ball to even try to put your energy and spirit to us. Okay, so the brother, could that mean that farmer Jonathan is the brother of the owner that owned the ranch? Is that what you're referring to? So Cheryl's the wife, John's the brother? Or I'm just making up a random story now. Detective is just like going all over the place.
What will happen?
Well, what will happen? I don't know. You tell me what will happen with the cat balls. Will they go off because of you? I'm not sure how you activated it, but if you can do that one more time, that'd be awesome. And if you can't do it, maybe Baby can do it. Baby? Hey, Baby, beloved Baby, I'm looking over at your canister. Can you come over here and hit the cat ball that's next to the portrait of the horse, aka Bobby? Want to join in? I'm sure the viewers that are watching this will be like ecstatic to see this activate, and it's not just me going bonkers, overwhelmed. Because it felt like as soon as I was talking about with the spirits of horses and humans not being able to know that they can communicate to their beloved horse, whether they're here, there, but spiritually they're around their owners or their persons of, that used to have them. So that's good to know. I mean, again, the portrait probably helps having. You always want to have a little tiny remembering. Maybe you would always want to have at least a momentum. Oh, good Lord. I apologize. I'm a spoopy-foo. It would be nice to have a portrait of the animal that you had, such as the horse, so you can always remember them. Correct? It's good to have a photograph. Yeah. I apologize. I got a little tongue-tied there. Oh boy. Right. Okay, see what do we want to see. Oops, sorry about the trophy. Isn't that cool, guys? Do you like your trophy? Yeah. Do you like your portrait? Did Mom take a good picture of you? Assuming that was my mom taking it. Or it could have been. No, it looks like an older photo. But do you like your portrait that was saved and kept here so we can remember you? All right, it's been 25 minutes. Oh, wow. And I don't even know what part I'm on. It's been quiet over here. Anything? Any last words? Oh my God. Okay, that again, I did not move.
Unquestionably.
Yes, that unquestionably was you. Okay, guys, literally I was trying to end this session and Bobby just came through again. I did not move. I mean, literally I'm moving. It's not activating. Thank you. That was you? Yeah, he's like, I had to use a lot of energy on that cable. Please give me a moment to respond via EMF. Awesome. Thank you, Bobby. I will definitely share this to my dad, who will share this to my mom. She's going to be happy to know that your spirit's with her and us. Whew, okay, I think I just literally boiled in my skin with the overwhelmingness. That makes sense. Oh, wow. And what's interesting is every time I mention the capital, it says unquestionably. Interesting. By the way, I like my little cats. Meow. So again, you know what's interesting is the fact that Doug activated at 3:25, around there. Like, you had to pass a certain time. And that's why I always tell C fans, if you just give it an extra 5-10 minutes, you'll be amazed at what activity can happen. Is that true? You just needed a little extra time? Oh, sorry. Are you trying to activate the cat ball or trying to get back to the energy to get to the EMF? So the people that, okay, so the people that do the stuff that I'm doing, aka communicating to spirits, but obviously at cemeteries. Yeah, that's see. I told you, Chris. Told you. You have to go a little bit longer. I know it's hard to do because of the schedule, but the spirits just need a little extra time to gain the energy. And plus, for us, it's awesome to have an extra 10 minutes to watch him and the spirits talk. Do you know who C-Fan is? I didn't think so. Do you want to know him? I watch him on YouTube. Do you think he should try to talk to a horse too? Apparently that's what Bobby's suggesting. You need to see if you can find a horse to talk to, Chris. Assuming you're watching this. Cool. Again, I did not make these capitals activate. That's why I have them on the cat tree. And just to clarify, kitty cat's way over here asleep. Nowhere near the cat tree. So I have a feeling it had to have been Bobby. Thank you so much to activate the cat ball twice in 3 or 4-parter video. I have to go back to figure out how many parts. I don't know how to take so many stops and resumes.
By no means.
By no means turning on that, activating that ball. You don't mind? Cool, thanks. I'm losing my voice. Sorry. Okay, viewers, on the comments below, can you tell me who do you think activated the cat ball? Was it Bobby? Was it Bebe? Or was it another spirit? And do you guys have horses or had horses? Comment below to let me know. Tell me what breed, what their name was, if they're still living, and if they did pass, maybe how they passed. Tell me some stories. I'd like to know. Wouldn't you like to know, Bobby? Don't you want to know the viewers' horses, how they lived or
To
are
your
living?
left.
To your left. Here? Or are you referring to the ball that was to the left? Because yes, you activated the ball that was on the left. Or do you want me to scan over here? I'm over here. What am I waiting for? Sorry. Not the best view. CD holder. That's blurred. Boxes. Cat blanket. I'm going back just because it's not the best view. So not sure what you meant by to, my left, but that's what's there. All right. Later on, I will try to find some photos of whether it be of me as a child writing it, my older sister writing it, my mom writing it. I will find those and I'll post them on my community post. Okay? Because I think that you deserve to be seen and remembered. Because I think my mom would have to say you were one of the best horses she has ever had. I think the only horse, to be honest, but I could be wrong. And I know that she misses riding you. So it'll give me a good conversation to talk to my mom for a while. Sure, she'll love that. She'll be like, you did what now? Yeah, I kind of just started a session with your horse, Bobby, and it's been going very well. So much that the cat ball activated on its own, spiritually probably by Bobby. Not me. You literally would have to stomp. See, I'm stomping on the freak floor. Nothing. I'm jumping up on the bed. Wee, 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 wee. Nothing. It was Bobby. Sorry. I mean, come on, people. The cat ball has not gone off at all until now. I've had it on my bed. I've had it on my dresser. I've had it in the cat tree. It hasn't gone off. It's only going off when I'm speaking with a spirit. And yes, it does go off on my bed a lot because I'm moving it. But this right here, this is impossible. So unless there's a mini earth shaking kind of situation, but you would think both balls would go off at the same time. That's how I feel. It was Bobby's spirit. And thank you so much for showing your spiritual self through the balls. Or ball, in this case. Unless you can activate both of them, but unsure how that works. Okay, just to clarify that you're really here also, can you activate the EMF meter to more orange or red? I know you've been going to green and yellow a lot, but could you maybe activate to be stronger? Unless you're storing some energy right now to activate the cat balls. Woo! Unless it's somebody else, I don't care. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Because to me, I want others to have hope that spirits are around them. Beloved ones aren't fully gone. Not sure how and when they get reincarnated and how they get reincarnated, but if they're still available to be up in heaven and then able to communicate via, coming down here through the EMF meter. This app has been quiet, by the way. Or through the cat balls. And then having an object of them might help bring them closer to you.
I'm moving.
I'm moving. Okay, are you leaving? Is that what you're trying to tell me? You want to end the session soon? You had a wonderful time, a wonderful chat with us? I hope you enjoy your carrots, by the way. Costco carrots, can't go wrong with them. And to the viewers, I do apologize for moving the camera all over the place, but well worth it. Because you know me, Detective Lazaria likes to debunk things, and I just did. You physically saw me. Well, not physically saw me, but you heard me. And you can see my wibbly wobbly woobly on jumping on the bed. And the cat balls. The cat balls did not activate themselves by doing that. It was you. Beautiful, beautiful Bobby. Okay, if you activate that couple, oh my god. Woo! It's like when I mentioned 36 minutes and 45 seconds in. I'm wondering, can a spirit so I know I'm trying to end this soon, but there are other people I watch. I watch Overnight, Paranormal Quest, C-Fans, Dylan Spratt, Tiffany Lorraine, Joshua Dawson, and others. When the cat balls go off, is it the spirits that are activating it? Can you go to the yellow on the EMF meter to confirm? I get one yellow. I'm gonna go with it one yellow. My god, I'll have to go back. Yes, okay. Cool. Can you say goodbye on this app? And then I'll end the session and then charge this device so I can get the videos on my channel and others can view it. And they can see your beautiful face. Yeah. Or if you can't say it on this app right here, you can always say it through the EMF by going to red. Is there any way you can physically be seen on the camera? Like, can it go zoom in, zoom out like it does for Bebe? Like, could you get in front of your portrait? It's almost 39 minutes. What will happen? Yeah, why is it so quiet over here on the app? It must have been when he had to activate the cat ball. He lost some energy.
Watching you.
Thank you. I'm watching you too. Well, okay, fine. I'm looking at your portrait because I have no clue where you're at. Although you said on my left, so you're probably over here. So I'll stare on that side for a little bit. Hi, Bobby. I'm waving on the left side. Hi, 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 hi. I have no clue how much battery left I have, so I might have to end the session. But you guys, I have to say this was one of those special moments I've had with this horse. I did ride him, But again, I was like, I don't know.
It was an accident.
You bucking me off? Or me falling? I understand. I was young. I don't even know if I had a saddle on. I think I just rode you or got on top of you and then fell off. And I think because of that, I may have been a little scared to go on a horse. But I've been on horses after that incident, don't worry. And I'm sure you remember. So again, yes, I did have an incident with him where I fell. And, you know, it happens. I can't remember how old I was, but I definitely was not in my teenage years. I was younger. Was I around 7 or 8? Okay, I was going to say if I was younger, can you go to green, orange if I was older? Or was exactly around 7 or 8 years old? I'm going to go with it. It was definitely under a teenager. Not a teenager, but under a teenager. Not 5, not 6, but 7 or 8 or 9. Maybe it was 9 years old. Again, I don't know if a horse would know the age of me, but I was young. Again, I will have a photo of me. I'm sure it's got to be in this house. I have photo albums, and yeah. All right, this has been a lovely session with 2 cat ball activities that I can recall, unless you want to do a third one. It'd be awesome, but I'm not forcing you. So if it goes off when I'm not filming, that's cool too. Take those carrots, take the apple, enjoy them up in heaven. They're yours. And then I will definitely share this not just to the viewers, but to my mom and to all horse lovers. You excited for that? Excited to be seen on a YouTube channel? Oh, see you soon. Thanks. So I have had other sessions with my other family members. Yeah. And I'm sure this is going to be one of the top ones, besides the doll one. That was a little weird having to film dolls. All right.
Up here.
Up here. Up here? Up here. Or do you mean up here? Up here? So many up here's. Anyways, oh wait, up here. As in, sorry for the stain. Up here, as in he's in heaven, right? Is that what you mean? Can you clarify by going to orange on the EMF meter or cat ball? Are you saying up here?
Why is she here?
I'm ignoring that one. Unless someone's coming through. Is there somebody else coming through? It said, why is she here? I don't know. Anyways, we were ending the session. So up here maybe refers to Bobby saying, I'm in heaven. So you're heading back to heaven, and that's fine. I can always communicate again, another time. And we'll probably have the same setup: trophy, carrots, apple, cat balls, portrait. Sound good? Good. All right, viewers. It's almost been 45 minutes. Did you just take a carrot? Did you just take 2 carrots? What the hell's happening? Sorry, I mean, what the, thank you. Oh my God. Because those have been there for the whole time. You saw me 45 minutes in, and those carrots did not move. That was you? I'm trying not to like get so overwhelmed by this. I truly believe in spirits. Wow. Again, Chris, C-Fan, this is why you go a little bit below, beyond your time frame, because holy crap, did you just notice those the carrots are gone? They're somewhere down there. I don't even know where. I go find them. Oh, there they are. Did you do that? Okay, at that note, I think we'll end the session because I gotta charge this iPad and, well, yeah. Thank you so much, Bobby. It was a pleasure speaking spiritually with you and having many paranormal activities happen with this session. 2 apples, 2 carrots. Yeah, enjoy those carrots. Unless you want to knock off the apple. It's a little extreme, but yeah. Yeah, didn't think so. And if you do that while I'm not filming, that's okay. All right, everybody. I hope you enjoyed watching and listening and seeing what my lovely, beloved mom's horse, Bobby, has communicated with us, has activated with us, has shown us, has proved to us. So, thank you.